Hello, this is Elton from Intel. I'm very excited to join the openEuler Global Ecosystem Collaboration Workshop at MWC. I'm also a member of openEuler committee. Today, I'm going to share Intel's practice and 2 years journey with openEuler community. What we have been doing to support Intel's cutting-edge platform technologies and also bring Intel open source technologies to openEuler OS. How we are working with openEuler specifically on empowering artificial intelligence, AI technologies, and capabilities. As known by many of you, Intel has been working in open source for a long history, from the very early days of open source. As a top contributor in many famous open source projects, such as Linux kernel. Our journey with openEuler started 2 years ago in December 2021. Right after openEuler being donated to Open Atom Foundation, an open source foundation in China. By that time, we signed the COA and officially joined.
有了之后，我们加入了这个社区。在 openEuler，我们做的第一件事情是，Intel-Arc 的 SIG，这个对于开发者和用户来讲都可以从中获得英特尔的支持，以及英特尔的很多软件的代码。Intel SIG 是对所有的开发者以及系统的维护者开放的，不仅仅是来自英特尔的，以及其他的社区成员都是可以开放获取的。在2022年3月的时候 ，openEuler 发布了一个。
LTS. With only a few months, Intel successfully enables and supported the full supports for Intel's Xeon platform, Ice Lake platform. By end of 2022, openEuler has another release, 2203 SP1, and in recently release, Intel team working together with other openEuler developers in the community. We eventually backported all supports in upstream in order to support the fourth generation of Intel Xeon platform, which is called Sapphire Rapids SPR platform. The new SPR platform comes with a whole bunch of new accelerators and features in some important areas, such as AI and security. And we successfully made those features work on openEuler 5.10 kernel and eventually released together with 2203 SP1 by end of the year. In December of last year, 2023, with Intel joining the Open Atom Foundation as a platinum member, Intel also joined the openEuler governing committee and also the tech oversight TOC marketing and user committee, which has brought Intel's collaboration and participation with openEuler to the next level. On technical sides, we also contributed the next generation platform supports, the 5th generation Xeon platform, Emerald Rapids, EMR, along with the year-end release of openEuler 2203 SP3. This is actually the same time as Intel announced the EMR platform. It's very much aligned with our product niche. So moving forward, we have aligned with openEuler TOC on the roadmap and the kernel version to support future Intel platforms. With a great collaboration in the community, Intel x86 platform supports and optimization on openEuler has been benefiting many customers using openEuler OS on x86 in various marketing segments, including telecom, cloud,
云企业以及互联网服务等多个市场细分。除了平台方面的支持，
many areas in openEuler. We actively engaged with upstream projects and successfully enabled openEuler as an officially supported OS in several famous open source projects, including DPDK, SPDK, Intel QAT and DLB driver, Intel official NIC driver, and also the OpenHPC projects. Intel has also been working together with openEuler community to enable Intel platform feature supports, as well as software program framework to empower the AI computing acceleration in openEuler. I will talk a little bit more about that later. Intel has also been involved in multiple openEuler 6, including kernel, compiler, virtualization, AI, cloud native, and QA, continuously make technical contributions and jointly innovate with community developers. Without a doubt, AI is currently the most noteworthy technology, and in the future, AI will be permeates every corner of the world. For Intel, we have set our corporate strategy with bring AI everywhere. Intel provides a full portfolio of hardware products with AI acceleration to accelerate AI development, deployment, and results. On the software side, with extensive investment in the open AI ecosystem, developers can achieve optimal performance on Intel platform through the open source community. With one API, Intel brings optimization to popular AI and machine learning tools and frameworks, allowing you to get the greatest performance from a range of hardware platforms, including Xeon server, Core PC, GPU, ARC, graphic cards, and FPGA, using your existing codes. Intel and AI analytical tools assist scientists and researchers in achieving comprehensive optimization from data processing, pre-training, high-performing deep learning,
深度学习以及到 AI 的开发和部署。openVINO 的最新版本可以自动支持和融合TensorFlow 以及 PyTorch 模型，以优化性能。
2.1 version. And also recently, we introduced an open source, lightweight, large language model acceleration library called BigDL-LLM. It enables large language models compliant with PyTorch standards on Intel platforms with less memory usage and shorter response latency. Working with openEuler community, Intel has been empowering openEuler full stack AI ecosystem with Intel platform and software technologies. We have enabled AMX, a new built-in hardware accelerator, together with SPR CPU to improve the performance of deep learning training and inference on CPU. You can use your existing SPR CPU with AMX even without have additional GPU cards, you have enough computing power to run openEuler AI solutions, such as AI assistants. Also, we have started to integrate Intel's openAPI programming framework with openEuler, which empowered openEuler with full AI stack, supporting every kind of AI acceleration hardware, from CPU, GPU, NPU, FPGA, and ASIC cards.
PGA 等等。我们也优化了 AI 工作负载，可以支持多种数据的类型。
BF16, FP16, Int8. Also with the latest Intel compiler technologies, which helps those workloads to get the best performance on Intel platform. Intel's openAPI framework provides an open cross-architecture programming model for CPUs, GPUs, and other accelerators. With the integration and support in openEuler OS, developers can take advantage of all your available hardware accelerators with the same programming model and codes. Meanwhile, on the up level, integration and optimization have already been done in many common used AI frameworks, such as PyTorch, TensorFlow, openEuler, PaddlePaddle, so that AI developers can easily reuse their workloads software stack. Intel's openAPI is committed to continuously reinforcing collaboration computing across architecture. The unified programming model and the language significantly simplify the workloads while achieving performance optimization of the platform. We are advocating for industry partners to work together in creating an open source, open accelerated computing framework. So moving forwards, we expect an even closer collaboration and participation with the openEuler community and projects. We will continuously contribute, bring more Intel open source technologies to openEuler, including the latest Intel platform supports.
还支持虚拟化技术、AI
and cloud-native technologies. On AI developments, Intel will be closely working with the community developers to further contribute Intel's hardware AI acceleration supports, as well as AI software and programming framework to openEuler, so that AI developers and users can both benefit from running AI workloads on openEuler OS plus Intel platform. Last but certainly not least, promoting openEuler to broad geos will also be an important collaboration area for Intel with the community. Intel has a long history and rich experience of participating global open source communities, which we think we can be helping openEuler to increase its visibility and influence internationally. With that, I conclude my talk today. I appreciate your time and attention. I hope all you enjoy the openEuler Global Ecosystem Collaboration Workshop and the MWC. Thank you all.